Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, vlogging about my Mexican beach home renovation. Was the first day where they actually didn't put anything in new. It's all about finishing everything off and cleaning it up. So I'll show you the pool. What they did was they sanded the edges, they cleaned it up, they made sure everything was nice and smooth and everything all around the whole pool deck area. They finally stuck the rocks in this particular island and on this one, this little area, palm trees. And here they did as well. The palm tree trimmer we put off until next week due to them actually cleaning. We want to get them done with. And before we have tree trimmer come, get really nice and clean up there where we stick water. But pool house there is done, ready to go. And but we just want to make sure that's done first. Now, one mistake that was made when we were out of town and we came back yesterday. So they did this while we were gone. And so when we came home, we noticed it. Wife was a little upset about this because she didn't want this weird patch. What happened was that when this area with the concrete and then a finish to it, nice concrete finish to it, some coconut flowers got in the mix. And what this was done like some weeks ago, actually, they started sprouting. Those guys are hardy. And they started sprouting and they noticed it. And so they tore up and made this patch and actually make them dig this whole thing up, like an inch deep or something, and redo it. Because you can't stick shikun on top of shikun. You can't stick shikun on top of already dried concrete. You have to chip it away, put the concrete down, and then stick, and while it's still wet, immediately put the shikun down. Otherwise, it flakes off, and apparently it's a horrible finish. So that was unexpected, and they're going to have to do that. But other than that, they were cleaning up, and the pool is looking pretty nice. What they also did today is cleaning up around. They smoothed out these edges on the sidewalk here, everywhere, to make it, real nice and smooth and everything. And of course, this area, they're now basing their operations out of is a mess. And this will be the last area that they cleaned up. But that's it. That's it. We're almost done. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment if you're just happy seeing this, make a positive comment, or if you have a question about doing a renovation in Mexico, especially on the beach, leave a comment. I'll respond either with another comment or maybe even an entire video. Make sure you hit the subscribe if you're new here. We do a lot of videos like this, plus travel, what it really is like to live in Mexico. And we live here full time in Yucatan, Mexico, and we love it. And then hit that bell notification. You get notified when new videos come out. And go grab our newsletter over at expatrebel.com/newsletter. It comes out every week about the news and that you need to know as an expat, or if you want to become an expat. So go over to expatrebel.com/newsletter, and I will see you next time. Ciao. Thanks for coming.